Now, the Sunrisers Hyderabad team of Jamaican Fabian Allen suffered a collapse before going down by 10 runs to the Royal Challengers Bangalore in the Indian Premier League today. After being sent to bat, the Royal Challengers posted 163 for 5 as 20-year-old Devdutt Padikkal top scored with 56 and AB de Villiers made 51 as Abhishek Sharma, Thangarasu Natarajan and Vijay Shankar took a wicket each. Aaron Finch also chipped in with 29 for Bangalore. The Sunrisers started shakily at 18 for 1, losing David Warner run out for 6. But his opening partner Johnny Bairstow made 61 as he carried over his form from international cricket. He and Manish Pandey put on 71 for the opening stand, but a collapse followed their dismissals as the team lost 8 wickets for just 32 runs to slump to 153 all out. Yuzvendra Chahal with 3 for 18, Shivam Dubey 2 for 15 and Navdeep Sahni 2 for 25 were the main men with the ball for Bangalore. Fabian Allen was not in the playing 11 for the contest. Jamaican O'Shane Thomas and his Rajasthan Royals face Dwayne Bravo's Chennai Super Kings in the lone match on tomorrow. It bowls off at 9 in the morning.